Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add special characters in your Google Docs document. So as you can see here, I'm in Google Docs. This is a blank document, but how do you go about and insert special characters? It's very easy. Go to your insert from the many options here, look down in the list, and you'll find special characters. Click on that, and here you will have a bunch of different special characters that you can add. So you can either choose from symbols, and you can go through them and you can change to whatever you want, or arrows, you can choose it. Basically, you have to just select what you want. You can scroll down in the list and find something, or you can search for something here, or you can just choose between symbols. So let's say I just want to see some Latin stuff. I can go ahead and I can do that, or I can switch and I can do Hangul stuff. And yeah, you get the idea. So once you go ahead and do find something, you even have emojis that you can select from. So once you go ahead and find something there that you want, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and select whatever you want. And yeah, if you click on that, it will insert, and that's it. That's how to go ahead, guys, and insert special characters into Google Docs. Very easy and very simple.